This comprehensive study of the first 4 of the 10 Commandments focuses on our personal relationship with God. The lesson starts with a review of previous events. 8 colorful clue pictures, as well as carefully crafted wording, are included. A hallmark of our Walking Alongside Jesus series is that students color code a passage in every lesson, which trains them to see repeated words, phrases, and important details that might be missed in a simple reading. In this lesson, students color code verses in Exodus 18, which details the reunion between Moses and his father-in-law Jethro. Students are encouraged to place themselves at the base of Mount Sinai and experience the sights and sounds. From the boom of thunder and the crackling of lightning to the smoke coming from the mountain, students color, cut, and glue the provided images onto the worksheet, the sights and sounds of Mount Sinai. On their God's Law packet, students rewrite each commandment in their own words, discover how other passages add to our understanding, and learn from the Apostle Paul that the law serves as a mirror, a shadow, provides protection, and makes us wise. Along the way, students are taught to use their fingers as a memory aid for each of the 4 commandments. In a review game, students listen as you read Bible verses that are related to the first 4 commandments. Their job is to decide which commandment each verse is referencing and run to colorful numbered signs you have placed around the room. Then, students read Matthew 17, where Jesus is transfigured, as they fill in the worksheet, Image of the Invisible God. Ultimately, students are led to John 14:9, where Jesus unequivocally announces, "Whoever has seen me has seen the Father." Jesus is the image of the invisible God.